morning! Ano bang ganap natin ngayon? So, kakagising ko lang. Good morning muna tayo sa aking mga plants. Rashi! Good morning! Latest update. Alam mo, kahapon may meeting ako sa isang legit na online loan platform. Possible collab. And I'm not closing my doors dahil legit yung loan app na to. I'll tell you more about it in the next couple of days. Pero, alam niyo naman guys na hindi ako basta-basta nakikipag-collab sa isang loan company, di ba? Oh, by the way, if you guys don't know me yet, my name is Ate Red and I have a main channel and that is Ate Red, yung Utang Vlogs, where I talk about loans. So, dito naman sa channel ko, mga wala lang, yung mga kung ano-ano lang sa buhay ko, update lang. Kasi meron din naman sa inyo yung interested nung ganon. Anyways, I'm excited because I'll be working with 2 companies. Don't worry guys, I only work with legit companies. I'll be working with 2 companies and this August, meron naman tayong Shopee na ganap. All because of my main channel. So, may event. And sino-sino kayo yung mga andon? Sa, ano yan? This August yan. First, syempre, hindi mawawala sa eksena to. Kape muna. Pasok muna ako dito sa aking studio. Magliligpit ako, which is long overdue. I'll be filming 4 Ola videos today. Good luck. Kasi medyo yung boses ko. So, naka-open lang yung window ko for now. Because kahit na mga indoor, oh my gosh, kahit na mga indoor plants to, they need a little bit of sunlight. So, this one needs a trim. And hindi ba, I don't think kulang siya sa tubig, but bakit may yellow? Oh no. Naano sa tubig siguro to. Kailangan niyang putulin. I have to trim that. Okay. So, hindi fake yung mga halaman ko, guys. And this other one, oops. Kailangan na mag-spray ng water. So, technically, mag-walk sana ako. Kaya, chinarge ko pa to. And this other one. But turns out, hindi naman pala ako gumising ng maaga. Mataas na yung araw, masyadong masakit na mag-walk. So, mamaya na lang ako mag-walk. 10:30 na guys. Wala masyadong ganap today, but I'm excited tomorrow. Kasi diba, 6 weeks post-op na ako. Since nag-surgery ako, July 1. I'm excited tomorrow kasi I have an appointment with my doctor. And hopefully, mabigyan na ako finally ng go signal na pwede nang mag-exercise. So, kahit naman lang run, nakakamiss na mag-run. Siguro pagbalik ko ng run, yung 5 km ko, balik ng 45 minutes to. We'll see. So, yun. I'm excited tomorrow para magkaroon ng go signal from my doctor. Finally. Yay! So, yun lang. Walang ganap today. I'll see you next time. Patuloy nyo sanang subaybayan ng aking daily vlogs. Tata! Bye-bye!